It is given that on vibrating an air column at 627 degrees Celsius and a tuning fork simultaneously, 6 beats are heard. That means assume that we are having an air column which is vibrating, where the temperature of air is given as around 627 degrees Celsius, and there is a tuning fork. So let's say this tuning fork is vibrating with the frequency N1 and this air column is vibrating with the frequency N2, and it is given that the frequency of fork is less than that of air column, and the beats frequency is given as nothing but 6. So we can write this N2 minus N1 is equal to 6. The frequency of fork is less than that of air column. No beats are heard at minus 48 degrees Celsius, the frequency of focus. If no beats are heard, that means the frequency of that tuning fork becomes equal to that of air column. So we know the equation for its frequency of air column. Let's say it is V divided by 4L if it is oscillating in fundamental mode, and the value of V we can write it as velocity. Velocity is nothing but gamma RT divided by M. So basically this frequency is directly proportional to root of T. So we can write this frequency is directly proportional to root of T, and the initial temperature, which is given that temperature is equal to 627 degrees Celsius. We need to convert it in Kelvin scale, plus 273, which is equal to 900. Now the temperature becomes equal to T2, which is given as minus 48 degrees Celsius. So we can write it as minus 48 plus 273, which is equal to 225 Kelvin. So we can find out what about the relation between their initial frequency and final frequency. Let's say initial frequency, which is N2 divided by final frequency, take it as N2 dash, is equal to under root of 900 divided by 225, which is equal to, we can take it as 30 divided by 15, or you can write this is equal to nothing but 2. To the given information, we know that N2 minus N1 is equal to 6, and the value of N2 dash is equal to N1, and the value of this N2 is equal to nothing but 2 times of N2 dash. So we can write this is equal to 2 times of N2 dash is nothing but N1. So if you are putting on the first equation, so we can write it as 2N1 minus N1 is equal to 6, or you can write the value of N1 is equal to 6.